Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn about CPR with pivots. What is pivot? Pivots are just support and resistance, where price give a reversal or breakout. It is one of the leading indicator used by many professional traders. It can be used for scalping, day trading, and for swing trading. This is the equation for calculating pivot point. Here PP stands for pivot point. R1, R2, and R3 are resistance, and S1, S2, and S3 are supports. Central Pivot Range. CPR is an indicator introduced by Mark Fisher, which comprises of three levels: top central pivot, and bottom central pivot. It can be used to identify the trend of market and to forecast how the market likely to behave. Next, we can learn how to identify the trend of using CPR. This is ascending CPR. Here each day the level of CPR increasing. It means the trend of market is bullish. So for a trader, when seeing ascending CPR, he can look for long entries. Next, descending CPR. Here each day the level of CPR is decreasing. It means now the market is in downtrend. So now the trader can look for short entries. Wide CPR. When you see a wide CPR, mostly that day will be a sideways day. So avoid taking breakout trades and give more chance to take fake out trades, because on wide CPR day the market will be mostly traded between initial balance high and low. Next, narrow CPR. When CPR is narrow, there is high chance the market to give a trending day, so the trader can look for breakout entries at important levels. CPR is magnet. CPR act as magnet in market. If price opens the day with a gap and the CPR are back near the prior day's close, you typically see a fill of the gap a high percentage of the time, given the right circumstances. Virgin CPR. When a price of stock doesn't touch the CPR, it will be considered as virgin CPR for next 5 to 6 days. And when the price approaches virgin CPR, it will be act as strong support or resistance, and price may reverse. So the trader can take a reversal entry at virgin CPR by looking price action inside virgin CPR. It is more powerful in morning section, and in evening section the price can easily break virgin CPR. So avoid taking reversal entries at virgin CPR in evening sections. CPR breakout strategy. Whenever price comes to CPR, we want to close watch the movement of price inside CPR. And when the price breaks top CPR, we can go for long entry, placing stop loss under the bottom CPR or central pivot, and target must be previous day high. When the price breaks bottom CPR, we can go for short entry, placing stop loss above top CPR or central pivot, and target should be previous day low. Avoid taking trade when the CPR is very wide or risk reward is not good. Now we can look some examples for CPR breakout strategy. Here we can see the fifth candle have broken top CPR, so we can take first long entry there by keeping stop loss below central pivot and target at previous day high. The second entry is when the market gives a retracement to the previous swing high. Here we can see fourth candle had faced some resistance at central pivot, so when the price come to that level and give a bullish candle, traders can take a long entry. Most of the time after breaking CPR there will be retracement like this. Here the 13th candle marked broken CPR and wicks of candles on left side. There we can take first entry. Stop loss can be below the central pivot and target at previous day high. Second entry is when the price come back to previous swing high. Stop loss below CPR and target at previous day high. Here fifth candle broken bottom CPR, so we can take short entry here, keeping stop loss above central pivot and target at previous day low. How to set up CPR for intraday in TradingView. First, open TradingView website. Then click on Indicators. Then in search bar search CPR. Select CPR with pivot levels by KGS. We only need CPR, current day pivot, and previous day high and low, so we can deselect all other in settings. Then in styles we can change the color of previous day high and low to black. Then click OK button. Now you can see the CPR, pivots, and previous day high and low in chart.